Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Tesla Cybertruck drawing. Let's start with the fundamental shape. Imagine a large, sturdy triangle. First, draw a wide, flat line for the base of the truck. Then, from the front, draw a long, straight line upwards and backwards for the roof. Finally, connect the roof line to the base with two sharp, distinct angles, forming the front windshield and the rear slope. This establishes the iconic, angular silhouette of the Cybertruck, giving you a solid foundation to build upon. Now that we have the basic body, let's add some key features. For the wheels, draw two large, perfect circles beneath the main body, ensuring they are evenly spaced. If you are drawing from a slight angle, add a third, slightly smaller circle at the rear to create a sense of depth. Next, focus on the windows. The Cybertruck features very narrow, rectangular windows with sharp, defined corners. These details really start to bring your drawing to life and make it recognizable. Moving on, let's refine the body panels and add the signature lighting. The Cybertruck's body is all about sharp, straight lines and flat surfaces. Carefully draw these distinct panel lines to emphasize its geometric design. A crucial element is the full-width light bar at the front. Draw a thin, horizontal rectangle spanning the entire width. Similarly, replicate this design at the rear for the taillight. These details are essential for capturing the vehicle's unique, futuristic aesthetic and making it instantly identifiable. Finally, let's bring your Cybertruck drawing to a polished finish. Begin by gently erasing any guidelines or initial sketches that are no longer needed, ensuring your drawing looks crisp and clean. Next, apply light, even shading to give the truck a sense of 3 dimensions and to mimic its stainless steel appearance. Think about where light would hit and where shadows would fall. Adding subtle highlights will further enhance the metallic look and make your Cybertruck truly shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.